Yep, so I'm an electrician by trade. My experience has always been to keep everything in-house within the business. I've made the choice not to bring salespeople into our company. It's a very technical part of the industry. We're explaining to customers how things work, and technically how things can work is really important. And it's not information that you gain by being a salesperson. So there's a very big difference in our business for that very reason. We're hands-on, we're technical, and we're able to do things to a much higher level than most. I think the driver for any residential or commercial solar customer is they're wanting to reduce their energy costs, but the cash flow that frees up, particularly for businesses, is quite important. Domestically, that happens at the same level. Mums and dads and cash flow in everyday lives is really important, and we see a lot of young families that we install solar systems for those reasons. I think reducing billing is probably one of the key factors in having a solar system for most of our customers. We won't install the Sunday mail specials or the cheap and cheerful solar systems that we see around the place because they're simply not reliable. We've been around in the industry for quite a period of time. We have a very good reputation because of our moral standard of only installing equipment that we would install on our own home.